Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Angel, this is Angelillustrations, and we're back again with another coloured pencil and pan pastel portrait of, this time, my gorgeous wife who runs Lottierose Creations, formerly Lottierose Needlecrafts, embroidery, all kinds of gubbins. But yeah, so this is a bit of a pin-up picture. I was going to put that in the title, but there's far too many P's and it kept tripping me up, which is a little bit different to my style, but I wanted to do something different for my wife. So yeah, you might have noticed there's a bit of footage missing right at the start. Messed up with the cameras, got something wrong, didn't record it, so, but you know, we know how I work by now. It's you do a line drawing, you shade it out with some pan pastels, and you whip out the coloured pencils. Very happy to announce that the Crayolas are nowhere near this piece. I really wish them all the best wherever they are in my daughter's bedroom, but they will never grace my work ever again. So yeah, coloured pencils used on this, as always, Caran Dash, the Luminance range, the Derwent Lightfast, Derwent Procolor, Derwent Coloursoft, a little bit of Pastel Polychromos, and a little bit of the Derwent Metallic Water Soluble range, just in the needle. Sorry, this is not a needle, it's a crochet hook. She'll shout at me if I do that. Just wanted a bit of shine on there, really. But yeah, my wife runs a crochet business where she makes some beautiful creations, in all honesty. I can sound biased here, but they are wonderful. She's a bit of a wizard with some yarn. Can't call it wool, it's yarn. And these weird little hooky things that don't seem to do anything for me, but you know, they work for her. So yeah, the wool, this is not wool, it's yarn. Oh god, I'm in trouble. The yarn was based on some alpaca yarn that we picked up when we were down in Southampton. I just like the colours. I had no idea how I was going to render it all, and obviously I did all this while streaming on Twitch as well, so I'm asking the chat how to do it and they're just sort of shrugging at me, as is their want. But yeah, I sort of figured it out in the end. Working on different paper. This time it's the not the Clairefontaine grease paint on paper, which I usually use for everything, the grey one. This was a Canson Teintes, not Teintes Touch, the original Teintes pastel paper. It's sort of got a honeycomb texture on it, which I used to use all the time, but since I started with the Clairefontaine paper, I can't go back to it. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, it's more of the same, really. We're going in and out, up and down, colour on, colour off, just rendering things out. No, I don't put the rest of her arm in, I don't want to. Don't shout at me. Not going to do it. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I mean, as I said, I was doing this all on Twitch, so there's a lot of interaction with the audience on that. There's more pauses in this one than there are normally. Yeah, if you like what I do, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. Anyway, take it easy.